Right now, I'm going to take a look inside the box of a Havit Tivah Matte Black Garden Light. You're watching Sunshower TV. Okay, so here we have it, the Havit Tivah. Let's take a look inside. First thing we see is the globe that comes with it. This one's a warm white, which is the one that we have right here. And then inside, nothing there. We have the light fitting itself, so covered in plastic. Let's take that and have a look. See the nice matte finish there. The inside's empty, ready for the globe to go in it, which you can just unscrew right here. Of course, in here as well, you have more installation instructions, technical specifications, and as well, we have our spike, which we can put together here. And that's it. Links to all the products are in the description below, and if you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, if you've got a project on the go, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.